Good morning all.
Good morning, sir.
In today's class, I am here to discuss on the topic quality assurance in concrete construction. So before going to the topic, may I request Shyam to explain what concrete is?
So concrete is all about mixture of coarse aggregate, fine aggregate, and cement, and the amount of water in it, which is called concrete.
Okay. So as far as concrete is concerned, we have considered two aspects. One is workability, another one is strength. Workability holds good for fresh concrete, and strength aspect is considered only for hardened concrete. So there are different tests to ensure the quality of concrete, out of which Sudarshana will explain what are all the tests involving workability test for ensuring workability of concrete.
Okay, so now as we see test for fresh concrete, the first one is slump test. It is to measure the workability and consistency of the concrete. And the second one is the compaction factor test. It is used to measure the accurate workability of the concrete. And the third one is a flow table test. This test is used to measure the flowability of the concrete. And the fourth test is OVB test. It is used to measure the consistency of the stiff mixes like we used for road construction purposes. And the last one is setting time test. It is used to measure the setting behavior of the cement. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Sudarshana. And as far as hardened properties are concerned, the test performed will be explained by Manohar.
There are two types, destructive test and non-destructive test. Destructive test is compressive strength test and flexible strength test and split tension test. Non-destructive test is rebound hammer test, ultrasonic pulse velocity, or pull-out test.
Okay, there are three different non-restrictive testing methods: ultrasonic pulse velocity, rebound hammer, and pull-out test. Out of which today I am here to explain about ultrasonic pulse velocity test. It is one of the methods used to measure the strength of concrete without damaging or restricting the concrete. So this is the ultrasonic pulse velocity testing equipment, in which ultrasonic wave is passed with the help of transducer, and the wave is collected at the receiving end. So the main objective of this experiment is to calculate the time required for traveling of ultrasonic wave from one end of the concrete to another end of concrete. The ultrasonic pulse velocity is correlated with the quality of concrete. So greater the velocity of concrete, greater the quality of concrete. Okay. So let me turn on the equipment. So I am keeping the transducer at one end and receiver at the other end. So this is a semi-direct method of conducting, because transducer is placed longitudinally and receiver is placed in transverse direction. The reading denotes the velocity of travel of waves inside the concrete material. So it is around 17.5. So the velocity of travel is noted as 17.5 microseconds. The time taken for the wave to travel is around 17 microseconds. The speed of the wave is calculated using the relation speed is equal to distance traveled by time taken. Distance traveled is 150 mm and time taken is 70 microseconds. And the velocity is noted in terms of kilometers per second. So this is all about non-destructive testing method. That is ultrasonic pulse velocity method in determining the strength of hardened concrete. Thank you everyone for listening to this video.